Welcome to Mingling Trays. Today we're gonna make smoked salmon salad with burrata cheese, which is simple, easy, and of course, it's delicious. For dressing, quarter of small size of onion, finely chopped. Place them in a bowl. Three tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, pinch of pepper, half teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Keep stirring the mixture. 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And now stir gently. The dressing is done. For apple, cut in half in thin slice. To prevent discoloration, squeeze a fresh lemon on the top. Let's plate. Any green veggies you like. Apple. More greens. Now smoke the salmon. Distribute them evenly. Now burrata cheese. If you want, you can add a dill on the top. Now it's ready to enjoy. Pour the dressing. This dressing has sweet and soury taste, so it's a perfect match with the naturally salty smoked salmon and burrata cheese. Enjoy! Thanks for watching and see you soon!